Conflict checks and eligibility reviews are two of the most important steps in intake, and Justiceserver brings them together in one streamlined workflow. Here you can see a client record already in progress. Client information, legal issue details, and location have already been captured as part of the intake. So by the time staff are ready to move forward, the groundwork is already done. As part of that intake process, staff enter the client's first name, last name, aliases, and date of birth. That information is what drives the conflict check, making it easier to surface potential matches even when names or details appear slightly differently across records. Staff can also add organizations connected to the matter, like an opposing counsel's law firm or a debt collector, and those are included in the conflict check as well. Once saved, Justiceserver runs the conflict check and pulls all the potential matches automatically. They're ranked by relevance, including name variations and aliases. Staff can see the connected cases right here in the results, so they have everything they need in one place. And for each match, staff can see the legal cases tied to that contact, the case name, status, date opened, and a role. That context helps staff make a more informed decision before moving forward. The same visibility extends to every adverse and related party that we entered on the previous screen. So here, the opposing counsel is surfaced with his existing contact card and case history. The debt collection firm is also matched to his organization record in Justiceserver, along with every case where it's appeared as an adverse party. From there, staff can use the checkbox to confirm a match. Selecting it links the party to their existing record. Leaving it blank means a new record will be created instead. With the conflict check review completed, the next step is financial eligibility. On this financial details screen, staff start by entering household size. Based on that, Justiceserver will be able to immediately show where the client falls relative to the program's income thresholds so that we get a live picture of eligibility from the moment the information starts coming in. Income is entered in this tab. We enter amount, frequency, and type. As each entry is added, the system is able to calculate the total monthly and yearly income automatically. Deductions like childcare and medical expenses can also be captured here. Staff can see how these expenses shift the client's poverty level, like in this example where it dropped from 175% to 127% once the deductions were applied. The system shows both figures so staff are able to get a full picture of the client's financial situation. Assets are entered the same way, type and value, and compared directly against the program's asset limit. Here, the client qualifies on assets even while the income remains above the threshold. So instead of referencing external charts or running manual calculations, Justiceserver helps staff evaluate all these factors in real time as information is entered, giving your team a consistent, confident basis for every intake decision. If you'd like to explore it further, visit justiceserver.techbridge.org to see how Justiceserver helps legal aid teams manage intake, eligibility, and casework in one connected system.